is connected. So I given 12 volt to 2 amps. I am switching on. So you will get that product name, whatever your project name you will get, it will display starting. So I can't give one at a time everything, I given like that. So initialization, everything, whatever we have, everything, so we need some time, so I given like that. So now it's glowing, it's like a dark, so it's a glowing. If it I given like that, it will change the state. So here T means temperature. So currently this DHT11, so it's showing a temperature 26. So C means cooling fan, A means air quality, L means lamp, E means exhausted fan. So basically lamp, one relay, this relay, and it's a 2 cooling fan and exhaust fan and air quality. So here I given the lamp. So here I will switch on the lamp. So if I am showing means in lamp, so it should stop. So if I am taking, it will on. So you can check that lamp status. If it is off, so L:OF means off. So if I am taking out in the, if it is dark means you will get the lamp light. If it is day means you will get, day means light is off, night means light is on, like that. You can check that MQ135. So I'm using any liquid, you can use any marker or IPA marker and any other thing you can use. So I'm using some liquid, so I will put here. It's increasing. So 50 above you will get fan also on. So it's like this is the exhausted fan. This relay is exhausted fan. Whenever relay is on, you will get this indication light. So here also lamp relay is on. This exhausted fan relay is on. If I am remove, you will get this buzzer also. So loudly you will get. So if I am removing, it will get off. So below 50%. So basically we are reading 0 to 100%. So it's off. We need to check the temperature. If it is high temperature, it should be on. The cooling fan is on. So in a second, I will switch on the soldering. Okay, soldering is getting on. So we can check with this DHT11. So right now is temperature, you can see 29, 28 like that. So now I will put the soldering rod or whatever you have a lighter or matchbox, you can put little bit at least 2 cm above, otherwise this plastic will go. So I will put like that. You can see the temperature, it will increase. 31 above 35 or 35 above, you will get that cooling fan on. So we will put like that here, that's why heating is now. So fan is running. So status also you can check. So C is that N means on, F means off. So whenever exhausting fan also you can see the status. It is running only. So you can check that off condition also. So this you can give like that. So you will easily get off. Everything is off. So now also on. So something temperature is there. So right now I will show you that how we can switch that part to this section to load section. So we can change this state. You can see whatever it's on, everything it will off, then it will change to load part. So you can do like that. So you can load, it will off every relay, then it will come like the load cell status weight. So we can put some weight, something we are getting, we need to calibrate something. Whenever you receive, it's a symbol only, we need to put like whatever you have a item, that item we can check with normal calibration. We can take that calibration value, put it our main code. That's all. This is the thing. Again, if we need to change, we can change this. Any one, everything should be this like that. So it will come normal state. You need to check it's working or not. It's working. This is the demo and full guidance video.